After our consultation phase, we move into a schematic design phase where we meet with our customers, we present to them a very, very high level idea, concept layout of what the possibilities are with their property. Sometimes it's one, sometimes it's five. It really depends on how many different ideas are flowing at any given time. And what this does, it's a starting point for us to begin to really drive the design in the desired direction for the client, while at the same time ensuring that all the underpinnings of a good landscape, drainage, soils, right plant, right place, all those things are also directing the design at the same time. So at this phase, once we're all on the same page of where we want to go, then we move into our detailed design phase where we might have multiple revisions, but we'll get to that point next. In the first step of our design phase, our consultation phase, there are many questions, and we have an entire checklist of items that we want to be very thorough on when it comes to working with our clients. One of the first key pieces of information we need is a site plan. In many cases where the property has a lot of different undulation or different topography, it might be heavily wooded. There might be a lot of unique features or easements, and different type of property setbacks might be an issue. We might need to inquire about getting a civil engineer to come out and give us a much more detailed plan than a normal plot plan might give us, to make sure that when we create a design, before we would implement anything, we understand all the restrictions and all the confines of that site to make sure that the accuracy is as tight as possible, so that you understand what we're working with the limitations, or with the absolute, the most freedom that we have with that design.